Now, when I say try on, I'm talking about a couple of different things. How many of you go shopping? Raise your hands. There you go. All right, now you're awake. I'll talk about shopping. Awesome. So imagine you go shopping and you get your first article of clothing and you look at the price. And the price makes sense, and then you try it on and it looks good this way and it looks good that way. How long does it take you to choose to purchase it? How many of you instantaneously go, this works for the price, this works for it fits, I instantaneously choose it? Awesome. Next article of clothing, you try it on. It's a little bit snug. And then you look in the mirror this way and that way and you're like, I didn't see that bump before. How long does it take you to decide you're not going to get it? Instantaneously. For some people. Both times you had to do what to really be able to make an educated choice as to if you were going to get it or not. You had to do what? Try it on. So that's all I'm asking you to do for the next hour. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say I appreciate you. Feel free to like, subscribe, and click on the bell if you want to see more videos coming your way to be alerted. Just thank you so much, and feel free to share this content with anybody who you think would find some value from this. Have an awesome, joyous, wonderful, breath-filled rest of your day.